AJ grew his window cleaning business from $120,000 in owner-operator model to over $450,000 in annual revenue with some trusted key team members in place in his business. Check out this interview to see how he built that.
What's going on, everybody? Landon here at the Home Service Business Coach, and I am joined by Mr. Schaefer, AJ, All Seasons.
Thanks for having me.
But take us back. Take us to All Seasons, man. Because I know, obviously, I know about your story now, AJ, but tell the audience, man, kind of where were you at 4 years ago in your business, man, with All Seasons? Like, take us back to the day in, day out struggle and grind.
Yeah, man. I mean, so when I first joined, it was tough, man. I'd been in a partnership for a while. Initially, I started my company up to be with my family more, my kids, you know, and 4 years ago, that was not what I was doing at all, man. I was married to the business. I was like leaving my kids with like friends to like watch them on the weekend so I can go do quotes. And like when I was home, like I was able to help them with their homework and then get them to bed and then do a bunch of, estimates and just all the stuff that we do that just robs us of the happiness, And so when I was doing jujitsu, it was hard to be present because I have all this other stuff going on. So 4 years ago, I did a lot of work looking into like somebody to coach me, because I had a mentor in early life that helped me kind of become a man, probably the closest thing to a dad I ever had. And he was big on like, instead of going and like trying to figure it all out, just go grab somebody who's already done it and is willing to teach you, you know? So I knew I needed a coach or some sort of system to help me put that stuff together because I had never done it before. So I did a lot of research to find HSBC, I listened to a bunch of podcasts about every business coach guru out there, and I came across Dave's and HSBC in particular, and all the content you guys are pushing out for free, which you guys put out, where we put out, not coaching, put out phenomenal content, man. And it's not like that hook, gotcha kind of stuff that you see out there. It's genuine content, man. It's good stuff.
It's tactical stuff.
Dude, that really got me, man. And the fact that you guys were really big on helping employees and making them grow and bringing them up financially, like all the stuff that I wanted to do but didn't know how. So when I joined, I was looking for, I was not making crazy money, but I wasn't necessarily looking for more money, dude. I was looking for like, I need freedom. I need people I can depend on and pay them well. And I don't know how to do that. So that's really what made me join, was just like, the presence you guys had out there, what you had put out there was such good content. And I could tell that what you were showing was just genuinely good stuff that I was super attracted to it, man. And I joined. And so when I joined you guys, I was working probably 60 hours a week, man. Easily, you know what I mean? And in season more, but averagely probably throughout the whole year, 60 hours a week, and, no time to do anything, so, that's kind of where I was when I joined. Yeah,
absolutely, man. And you were one of the OGs, the originals, man. Been around a long time too, man.
Oh, man. Well, the guys who are joining now, what it was before compared to what it is today, like they've made it like the back end of this coaching program is so much better. And it was great back then. But it's just so much better now, the platform that we have and everything is just crazy. So, we worked, it was like, you got one coaching call a week, right? And then you had a Google Drive that you were pulling documents off of and putting together. And then in that one meeting a week, you had a chance to like vomit everything you were doing. And then you get some feedback and Dave, whoever was there, would really help you out through the process. So
absolutely, that's
kind of where it started, was with that. And I mean, it was great though, man. Amazing progress very rapidly because of this program.
Absolutely, man. But AJ, advice for somebody maybe who was at the same stage that you were at in the business
4 years ago.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah. You're working your 70 hours a week. You have that trust of the issue of the employees, right? And you're like, oh, I don't hire. Hey, I'm born in 1997, so maybe I'm a part of this lazy millennial. I don't know, man. You know what it is?
I got There's some guys who work with me that's around that age, and they're workhorses,
right?
Man.
They're brutes,
they're
right?
There. They're out there.
They're out there, right?
Don't see yourself.
I know.
You're a beast, man.
I appreciate that. Thanks, AJ. What are you telling that guy? He's doing this 100K, working 60 hours a week. What are you telling that guy?
That sounds like a plug, man, but get help, dude. Get
Absolutely,
help.
It sounds like a plug.
There's nothing wrong, like I said, with just getting help, man. And granted, you might be able to configure something really impressive in a few years. You might lose your family over that. You might lose your health over that. You might be so stressed out that I have no grandparents, anybody in my family who's balding. Guess who's thin at the top, bro? Guess who's thin at the top? You could save yourself your hair. Tommy Mello talks about that, right?
Yeah, it's true
Dude,
though.
I have no balding in my family. I'm the first one. I'm starting the first
It's
balding.
because of the stress. Yeah.
Yeah, dude. It's like you could do that, man. That could be the route.
And the hair transplant, I think, is about 15 grand too.
Well, it's distribution next year. Probably it's coming from my company to get me some hair. It owes me that. It's the one that took it from me.
It does,
Yeah.
absolutely.
But no,
brother.
you could do that. You could do that route, and you might be able to manifest something amazing. But why
Yep.
wouldn't you do like the express lane, man?
Yeah,
you know what I mean? And just
absolutely.
get some help. And
Yeah.
for me, I wasn't smart enough for that, dude. Honestly, I had been in business for a while, and it was not getting any better. So if you're in the position where it's like, I didn't even know where to start, dude. You know what I mean? I had one guy who's now my production manager. And I was working him to death, and I was working to death, and I had no vision for my company. I had no roles built out. I had no SOPs. I know what that stood for. It was like I was so far away from ever even like touching something like that,
Yep.
that like I had to get into something. So that would be my suggestion, man. Honestly, and I know it sounds like a shameless plug, but I mean, we are doing, an HSBC podcast. But I mean,
we also believe in it, and we've seen the transformation.
I'm a coach.
We care. Yeah, exactly.
because it worked, man. Yeah,
That's it.
100%,
Like
man.
what else is there?
I wouldn't ever try to push this product if I felt it was some
No.
kind of like snake oil or something,
No.
man. And there's a lot of that out there.
Huge, massively.
I mean, it's out there, and like the good thing is like we have such strong testimonials now with everybody who's been through it, man.
Yeah.
Like there's just no smoke and mirrors with this. And also, this isn't something where if anybody's looking into this right now, this isn't something where we're going to go into your business and do it for you either. Like,
Yep.
This is an empowering thing. So like, I didn't need somebody necessarily do it for me. I
Yep.
wasn't looking for that when I joined.
No.
I need somebody to show me. And by doing that, same way that you do with your employees later, it empowers them. So you get this like new confidence, this new ownership of problems.
Yep.
You get all that stuff comes from this. So that would be my suggestion. Long answer would be just join us.
Yeah.
There's no
On
good
that
whites
note,
down there.
AJ, brother, it's been a pleasure to watch your journey, to have you. Final thoughts, AJ.
I will. Yeah. The harder you work, the luckier you get. That's my favorite.
Man, let's
The
go.
harder you work, the luckier you get.
Man, I love that. AJ, thanks for coming on, man.
Thanks, man.
Wow, what an incredible transformative story. If you too want to take action in growing your very own exterior cleaning company, then I want you to check out the Get Off the Truck Accelerator. This is our private mastermind for owners that are looking to move from being owner operator and building a 500 to 750K exterior cleaning business that doesn't fully rely upon them. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.